Socializing 16. In a narration found in Jami' at-Tirmidhi, number 2029, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, advised that a person will become more honored when they forgive others for the sake of Allah, the Exalted. This occurs as the one who forgives others will be forgiven by Allah, the Exalted, which by definition causes their honor to increase. Chapter 24 and Nur, verse 22.
And let them pardon and overlook. Would you not like that Allah should forgive you?
This shows that true honor does not lie in exalting over people, but it lies in being merciful and forgiving. Simply put, if one desires to be forgiven for their mistakes, they should forgive others. But it is important to note that one is encouraged to forgive others for the sake of Allah, the Exalted, but they must also take the necessary steps to avoid being wronged by their abuser again. Meaning, they should adjust their behavior in order to protect themselves so that history does not repeat itself, while continuing to treat others according to the teachings of Islam. Forgiving others does not mean being naive in respect to others.